Hey guys, my name is Anatoly. Welcome to Define Agile YouTube channel. We're talking everything Agile and Agile tools. Today we're going to talk about how to update user preferences. I know that some of you asked for that question. That's why I'm releasing that video. And if you have any questions you want me to create videos on, please put them in the comments down below. And I'm reading every single comment. So before we go and figure out how to update user preference, I have two things I want to tell you. Thing number one, if you guys want to learn JIRA from basic to advanced in about 1 day, you want to learn things like permissions, workflows, and all the other things that you need to know to be an advanced user of JIRA. You can go to the Get My Help section in the description for the video and get my course. It is affordable, it is packed with information, so it will make you a better JIRA user 100%. And then a second thing is, if you're completely stuck and you have some unique use case that you want somebody to resolve, or you're stuck with Agile and need some consultancy on that end, you can go to Get My Help section and schedule an event with a one-on-one with me or somebody from my team. Just go to calendar link and get yourself into our calendars, and we'll do one-on-one. We'll help you out with anything you need. So since those two things are out of the way, let's look at how to update user preferences. So it's pretty easy. Everyone should have their avatar or their face into the right side of the screen on the right corner. So you click on this right corner avatar and then you click on the personal settings. This gives you a couple of things. First of all, your time zone is very important, because if you're logging time, this will base in time on that, your language. There's some settings how you can watch an issue. You can either inherit from global settings. You can disable watching an issue or enable watching all the issues. So that's all the issues you're watching, I guess, irrespective to global settings. Then you can look at what's your JIRA homepage when you come in, like what do you see? Email notifications. A lot of people ask me about that. Do you want notifications to be sent by email or not? Here's a good place where you can turn it on and off. So that's very useful. And then what email updates do you want to get? So some people are saying, I'm getting too many emails. Okay, here you can select you want to get issues you're watching, if you're a reporter, you're a assignee, someone mentions you, etc., etc., etc. How the email notification look like, everything here can be updated, which is pretty amazing. But then there's another part of it. If you go into settings again and you click on your profile, this is where you can update your actual profile. So it will be, here's where you can update your avatar. Here's where you can update your job title, your description, put everything you want. The places that you work, I guess it's your projects. And somebody who can go to your profile, they can see this. So this is where you can update all of this. And your email as well, you can update your email right here, contact, manage your email. And then the last cool thing I should show you is your account settings. So profile is what people clicking on your image could see. So you can change all of this. But what if you want to change your account, JIRA account settings? Then you click on account settings. And this is where you can actually change your name, your job, your department. So everything from the profile you can also change here. This, who can see that? So all the visibility, your email. So instead of just your contact email, you can add your new email address, and you can log in with this email address. So it's very important. Your security is how you log in. So your password, changing it right here. Account preferences, again, your language, your time zone is also can be edited here. If you want to delete your account, this is the place where you delete your account. You can cancel deletion 14 days if you think you should change it. If you want to connect any apps to it, like spreadsheets or anything you want, you can also do it from here. And this will show you all your JIRA products. So definitely shows me all the JIRA products I'm part of. So here we go. Very, very cool. There, as we've seen, let's go back and I'll show you again. So as we've seen, there are 3 levels to this. Personal settings, it's your notifications, everything you want to change in JIRA. Your Atlassian profile, how people can see you, and what can people observe when they click on your name. So it's like more like a public profile. And then account settings is everything in terms of security, changing emails, changing passwords. So everything is there. And this is all the user preferences you need to know. If there's anything else I did not cover you want me to mention, please put them in the comments down below. If you think that brought you value, please like and subscribe, because this is how we can spread it to more and more people. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you next one. Bye-bye.